So I want to build a house. We get clients that tell us that all the time, but they're not really sure where to start. So let's talk about it. This is John Walker with the Walker Group and Keller Williams Realty. The very first thing that we recommend you do is to come talk with us or talk with a real estate agent about the process. Building a house can be definitely a little stressful, maybe even a lot of stressful. And so it's important to prepare yourselves for that process and know the steps. The second thing you need to do is talk with a bank or a lender about the process of building a home. It's different than going out and just buying a home. There's many more steps, and usually you have to go through a lot more of an approval process with the bank in order to prepare yourselves financially to build a house. The next thing that you need to do is find a builder. We have builders that we can recommend to you. It's important to talk to more than one builder because communication is vitally important. There's many builders out there that build all kinds of beautiful homes, and communication can be better or worse with different builders. And that's the number one thing that you need to prepare yourself for when choosing a builder is clear communication. That brings me to the next step, is make sure everything is documented whenever you're getting ready to start the process of building a home. The last thing, again, to just reiterate, is prepare yourselves for some hiccups. There's always going to be delays with materials being ordered, with the weather that can't be controlled. So make sure you prepare yourself for the process. We can't wait to talk to you about building your home. So give us a call at 318-794-6769. Thanks, guys.